GM everyone, welcome to another episode of Investing Analysis. Let's get into it. First of all, BTC, you can see price reverted all its positive movement from the last 3 days, and also that's because of the catalyst for this specific move was the failure of the peace agreement between the two countries. As far oil is concerned, it did not reacted much positive to this news. So that's a positive sign for your crypto. Also because it's weekend and also we have 1 week left for the ceasefire agreement to end. For now, at the moment, $90 to $100 range is still in play. Will be really interesting to see how it reacts at the CME futures market open in the almost 5.5 hours from now, right? As far things for your crypto is concerned, Ethereum is above its critical SR level or the range from where it tried to go higher multiple times, but when it rejected, had a failure of going higher, it went straight to the mid range of the specific zone. But this area looks a really valid breakout for me at the moment because it is above its range high, had a retest on the lower time frame, and it's holding above its range high as well the 50-day moving average. If you see this piece of shit on lower time frames, you can see price is absolutely holding above its 4 hour 50 moving average as well the range high. So we'll be watching out for some longs after the CME futures market open and the daily open, right? So we'll be posting the update. I have already posted the detailed analysis of Ethereum inside my Twitter. Make sure to go and check it out, right? As far things for BTC is concerned, 71,000 remains an important area for the price to hold above this. We had the 4 hour imbalance, which price filled by almost 90%, which is a good sign for now. As far price stays or above this 71,000 or consolidates above this range, this is really positive sign because price is building up energy for the next big leg up. So keep a strict eye at this imbalance 70,500 or 71,000. These two are the zones where price should hold and to go higher above it, right? So as far price is above these two zones, expect higher prices, and if it fails to go higher, 68,500 is a great zone to buy for the swing longs, right? So that's it for the very short term on BTC. As far higher time frame is concerned, our GLI fair value gap target remains the main target for the midterm, means next few weeks or months we will be trading at the GLI fair value gap. So that's very simple from each and every one of our investing analysis, right? Gold as the futures CME markets open, you can expect something like this. Won't discuss that for now. As far things on chain is concerned, we have negative fundings on BTC, a positive sign for the midterm. I tweeted 71,000 for BTC this morning, and price is now trading almost at 78,000, 71,000, right? Premium to short, the data is now updated and we went more lower than the yesterday's data, which is great sign that people are now again aggressively choosing shorts over a recovery at this specific moment. All I can say, we are again inside the leveraged rally, which is great because people are betting against the recovery. Will be really interesting to see how price reacts at this specific zone, right? 70,500 to 71,000 is a really important zone to be defended. Otherwise, 68,500 is the zone from where you can buy some swing longs, right? If you follow my yesterday's investing analysis, I clearly warned you from my last multiple investing analysis not to buy here, not to buy here. We are going higher, but this buying here at this specific zone will give you a worst RR, right? So for you, I had drawn the 68,500 zone from where you can buy for your swing longs, right? If you have some wick lower at these areas and price reverts again, that's again a positive sign. But as far price stays above 70,500 and 71,000, this is a great sign for price that it's holding above this imbalance and it is building up energy to go higher for the next big leg up. So I guess that's important. That's enough for today. Make sure to manage your trades with proper risk management. Thanks for watching.